BrainBobble presents the secret to making deep friendships easily and effortlessly. We all know how hard it can be to make genuine connections with people. But wouldn't it be amazing if you could effortlessly form new friendships, forge meaningful connections, have meaningful conversations, and share stories and enjoy fun activities together? Stay tuned to unlock the secrets to doing this easily and effortlessly. 1. Local meetup groups. An excellent way to connect with people who share similar interests and passions is through local meetup groups. These groups often bring together people from various backgrounds and walks of life, creating the perfect environment for making friends and eventually deepening the connection. Many of these meetup groups are centered around hobbies or activities, meaning that group members naturally have something in common other than just conversation. From board game nights to outdoor hikes, meetup groups provide a platform for members to socialize, network, and develop meaningful relationships. Furthermore, attending these types of events can help individuals build their self-confidence by allowing them to explore different interests while also meeting like-minded individuals who can provide important support and advice. 2. Hanging out with friends of friends. Hanging out with people your friends hang out with is an awesome way to make new friends. It can be easier to start a friendship when your friend already knows someone you want to meet. It's like having a great introduction so that it's not as scary or awkward when you first start talking. Your friend can tell the other person something nice about you, and then you don't have to worry about saying the right thing because they already know something good about you. Plus, it's likely that there will be things in common that you can bond over, making it easier for you to form deep connections with people who were just strangers before. All these pieces add up and make it much simpler for you to form deep connections with people who were just strangers before. 3. Volunteering or taking a class. A great way to make friends is to get involved in volunteering or taking a class. Not only will it give you something meaningful and rewarding to do, but it's also a great opportunity to interact with other people who have common interests and goals just like you. You can be surrounded by people that you would likely become friends with in no time at all. Plus, since you're spending time together doing something that matters, it gives you more opportunities for meaningful conversations and bonding experiences that can lead to strong friendships. It's like the perfect combination of doing something positive for your community while building relationships and making memories with those around you. 4. Going out to parties or festivals. Attending social events like parties and festivals is a great way for you to make friends. You can meet other people who have the same interests as you or share similar hobbies or beliefs. Even if it's just an acquaintance at first, these types of social events often provide an easy starting point for conversations and relationships that could potentially last a long time. Plus, when you're in a fun, positive atmosphere like that, it makes it easier to start conversations and break the ice with others. Festivals often provide activities for everyone to do together too, like live music shows and food tasting events, which can be an awesome opportunity to bond with your new friends. Having a good time together is a great way to create memories that will last long after the party or festival is over. 5. Participating in sports. Team sports are an amazing way to make and keep friends. When you play team sports, you are all working together to achieve the same goal of winning the game. This shared goal encourages team spirit and camaraderie amongst teammates, helping you create strong bonds with one another. Additionally, when celebrating victories or commiserating over defeats together as a group, it can strengthen your relationships with your teammates and increase understanding between everyone. Playing sports also gives you an opportunity to have fun with your teammates and have meaningful conversations outside of the sport. You'll be able to share advice on moves that can help win games or discuss strategies for playing smarter, while also connecting over funny stories or talking about what's happening in your life. Creating these great friendships helps to make each practice more enjoyable while pushing you to do your best. 6. Spending time at the library or coffee shop. Going to the local library or neighborhood coffee shop is an excellent way to make friends. Not only are these places great for meeting new people, but they also provide a natural and relaxed atmosphere for getting to know someone. When you visit the library, you can take part in book club meetings or attend author events, which can give you something to talk about with new acquaintances. Participating in any of these activities is an excellent chance to socialize and get to know people better. Coffee shops are also great options. Chatting over coffee can be a fun way to get to know someone better. You don't have to feel pressure in either spot because there is no expectation of anything. It's just two people connecting in a friendly environment. Don't forget that both places generally stay open late, so it's no problem to hang out past dinner time. 7. Joining a club. Participating in a club or organization is an excellent way to easily meet new people and form strong connections. It's like having a built-in group of people who share your interests and hobbies. When you join a club, you can enjoy fun activities with others who have the same things in mind as you. It's also a great way for you to share ideas and experiences, learn from each other, and come up with new ways to do things. Plus, it's easy to find clubs that match your interests, whether it be sports, art, music, or any other activity, so you'll always have something interesting to do. And don't forget that being part of a club gives you access to people outside your own circle of friends and allows you to meet even more new people. All in all, joining a club is an awesome way to expand your social circle and have lots of fun while doing it. 8. Hosting a potluck dinner. Organizing a potluck gathering with your friends and inviting new people over is a great way to make friends and get to know each other better. You can meet these new people at local events, work, online forums, or even through mutual acquaintances. To get started, invite 5 or more people, both old friends and new acquaintances, over for a meal at your place. Ask everyone to bring something to contribute, like a dish, drinks, or snacks. When it's time for the dinner, have each person introduce themselves and share a bit about who they are, so everyone can get to know each other. After that, all you need to do is enjoy the meal and conversation together. You might even end up with some new friendships as well. 9. Asking for advice on social media. Reaching out to someone you admire on social media can often lead to a friendship if the process is done with the right attitude. Developing a connection with someone needs care, attention, and respect from both sides. When you reach out to them, show genuine interest in them and what they have to say. Mention any work that you have done which has made you appreciate their work, and explain why you are interested in having a conversation with them and what specifically you hope to learn from it. Being polite and thanking them for their time will leave an impression of respect and appreciation, and will make it easier for both of you to become friends by maintaining an open dialogue and furthering your connection. Making new friends and forging meaningful connections doesn't have to be complicated or difficult. With the tips and strategies outlined here, you can make it happen effortlessly. Go forth and use these secrets to unlock opportunities for making deep, lasting friendships that will bring warmth, joy, and connection into your life. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.